Hello, my name is Tami Hynes, and I'm the Vice President, Precertification Education for CPA Canada. In this video, I will share some of the findings from the research the Competency Map Task Force conducted that illustrates the need for change, provide a timeline of the development process for a new Competency Map, CM 2.0, and next steps, discuss how CM 2.0 is central to the educational ecosystem, and introduce Certification 2.0. How are technology and automation changing work? This chart from a World Economic Forum survey shows the rapidly advancing human-machine frontier, highlighting the increasing automation trend, which is supported by ongoing innovation. More jobs are being done by machines, and technology is opening up new opportunities. How is this going to affect CPAs? How can we embrace this change? How can we equip our new CPAs to thrive in this exponentially changing environment? To navigate in what LinkedIn's CEO refers to as a time that's being shaped by forces unlike anything we've seen before. In 2020, the CPA profession initiated a process to reimagine the competencies and skills required by CPAs at the pre-certification level. The profession set out to reimagine the competencies and skills needed to enter the profession with the goal of creating future-ready CPAs. In March 2020, the Competency Map Task Force met for the first time with a blank sheet mandate. Taking an evidence-based approach, this task force, with people from academia to industry, worked on a new competency map that will be a key part of shaping the future of the CPA profession. As of June 2021, the task force has done much of the research to define the skills and competencies in a new competency map, CM 2.0. The approach they took, being agile in their research and project methodologies and consulting broadly with stakeholders across the country, is aligned with the competencies of a future-ready CPA. The final draft of the map, CM 2.0, will be released for consultation on July 5th. Stay tuned for that. Between July and the end of September, the task force and the provincial and regional CPA bodies will be gathering feedback on the draft map. This will follow best practice consultation principles of objectivity, accountability, and transparency. In essence, the new competency map is an agent of change. It allows and encourages the profession to rethink where and how competencies are best obtained. For example, in a classroom, on the job, just-in-time learning, online learning, experiential learning, and where, when, and how to best assess competence. For example, at the post-secondary institution level, at the professional education program level, on the job, or some combination. All of this brings us to the next logical question. What are we doing with this new map? CM 2.0 will be the foundation for a new CPA certification program. As the task force spends the next several months to complete the necessary consultation and approval, our new certification project, which we have named Certification 2.0, will use a multi-phased approach to develop the new program that, when finalized, will encompass key areas of pre-certification programs, including education, experience or experiential learning, and assessment of competence. Over the next few months, subject matter experts in education, assessment, and technology will explore options for the new Certification 2.0 program. We will start with the foundational design work necessary to operationalize the new map. Adopting a blue sky thinking approach allows us to explore and evaluate ways to meet the needs of accessible on-demand learning and assessments that reflect the competencies in the new map without being inhibited by current models. Although we are in the early stages of determining what the final Certification 2.0 will look like, Similar to the CM 2.0 development process, Certification 2.0 will continue to engage key stakeholder groups and subject matter experts to ensure we capture valuable information and insights. We recognize that many of you may have questions about how Certification 2.0 will differ from the current certification programs and how any of these changes will impact you. We are committed to keeping the lines of communication open during the development process and assisting with the transition. The accounting profession is on an important journey that I'm honored to support. Thank you.